Hey y'all, welcome back to the party. If y'all don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy and I'm so happy you are here. Today I'm just going to be doing an easy everyday look using the Natasha Denona Lila palette as a voiceover tutorial for you. If you don't want to use these colors or you want to use a different palette, by all means go ahead. As of right now, I am using my Real Techniques brush and I'm carving out my eyebrows. Then I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape to use a base for my shadows. Using the Real Techniques sponge, I am just patting that in to make sure we don't get no creasing. After that, we're going in with the RCMA No Translucent setting powder, and I'm just setting my eyes because this is just an easy look to do. We're not doing no bold colors and we're just setting that so it don't crease. And of course, this is the Natasha Denona Lila palette, and we are going to go in to the color Nude Mauve Brown. It's a very beautiful color. If y'all don't have any Natasha Denona palettes, I highly suggest them, even though they are a little bit expensive. So I'm just taking my R37 Morphe brush and I am just going back and forth as a transition shade using circular and windshield wiper motions, just getting the pigment that I need and I want. And you want to make sure that you blend this very, very well. Next, we're going to go into the color Amara, which is this pretty burgundy brown color. I am going in with my Morphe M411 brush and I am just packing this on the outer corner of my eye. I am taking it a little bit above the crease because with my hooded eyes, I do need to raise it up just a little bit, and then I will pack that on, go in and blend it out. And as I said, you can go in with any color, any palette that you want. Going back in with the first brush that I used, I'm just going to help blend the transition and crease shade together. You want to make sure you have a flawless blend. Then we're going into this shimmer shade. I will spray it with some Max Fix Plus. If you don't have Fix Plus, you can just use some water or any kind of setting spray. And I'm just using a shader brush to pack this on the inner corner to the midway of my eyelid. I will take it up just a little bit as you see here. I am now going in with the new Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. You guys, this liner is to die for. It is amazing and I highly suggest that you go pick it up. I am doing a wing with this look. You absolutely don't have to. If you want to calm it down, you absolutely can. If you want to spruce it up, you are more than welcome. Any tutorial you can follow pretty easily. I'm now going in with my Marc Jacobs kohl liner and my waterline, and on my top waterline. Then going in with the deep color Amara, the one that we put into the crease, I am going to line my lower lash line and pack that on there pretty well. We want it a little bit smoky. Then I'm going to go in with a Morphe E18 brush, which is just a smudger brush, and I'm going to go in with that nude mauve brown color and blend everything out. I am then going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit by Nicole Guerra, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. Woo, wait until you see the inner corner highlight. It is stunning. I will then go in and coat my lashes with some Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and I did not get my lashes on camera. I do apologize, but I am using Lilli lashes in Mykonos, and they are absolutely beautiful. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I really hope that y'all enjoy it, and like I said, you can wear it with any shade, any color, every day, wing, no wing. Y'all, make sure you subscribe before leaving if you would like to see more tutorials like this, and other than that, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!